Gender inequality is an enormous problem that affects most countries all around the world, and it creates a difficulty for economy to grow. The norms of India consign women in a secondary status at household and workplace. This effect that they are not considered important. Women usually get little schooling and suffer from unfair inheritance and divorce laws that avoid them from acquiring solid financial assets. In education, gender inequality affects economic growth, reducing the level of human capital. Therefore, we propose giving scholarships to the girls of this country so they can be successful and participate on the economic aspects of India. With this solution, the economy of India will grow, but one of the biggest obstacles that we have to go through is to give awareness to this country of this issue.